Welcome back to the kitchen. I'm Busy Dad. And I bet only some of you knew that today is World Egg Day. So today, we're gonna make a perfect fried egg. Now this recipe is more or less just for fun, but it could be instructional if maybe you aren't quite sure how to make a fried egg. So here's the deal. This is a photogenic pot, but a better choice might be a heavier pot. This isn't super heavy. It'll work fine, but it could be good to use something heavier like cast iron or anodized aluminum. So we need oil in this pot. And to fry an egg, the oil needs to be a good temperature. If it's too hot, the egg will fry up too quickly on the bottom and crisp and then burn. If it's too cold, the egg will kind of sit there and it will cook very slowly, and that might be okay, but it might not. So this is pretty hot. We'll throw an egg on here and we'll see how we do. There we go. So we'll let that sit there until it starts firming up through all of this white part. That's cooking. Let's see if we can chop up our green onion. There's going to be some vegetables in this dish. I consider green onion to be more of a garnish, and that's how we're going to use it here. This is going to go on, it is going to get cooked, or you could throw it on at the end if that's how you like it. I've also washed up a whole bunch of greens. I like my greens cooked. You can see that you could definitely also just put your egg on top of these greens on a plate, and those would be pretty awesome too. Action shot, back to the egg. Now this egg is starting to firm up, so because I want these green onions to cook a little bit, I'm going to throw them on here. And a couple are going to go into the pot. The rest of the stuff that's going into the pot are these greens. When I put these on here, these are very quickly, because they're covered in water, going to start steaming. So I'm going to cover this pot and it will finish cooking this egg super quick. With less than a minute left to go, we're going to take that lid off the pot. See if we can't flip our egg over. This sometimes can be hard if your egg sticks a little bit. Looks like today, it's not too bad. Flip. Now you can get fancy with the flip. Just depends how confident you are in your flipping skills. Now also going on here is a little bit of sea salt. When this egg comes out, it looks like this. Let's give it a shot. I'm going to try to get at least one piece of green onion and spinach in here. Mmm, it's so good. It tastes garden fresh with all these vegetables. These aren't cooked so much as they are somewhat wilted. I hope y'all like this. Happy World Egg Day. If you like this channel and you like this video, do what you can. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to. Help me grow the channel. That helps me a lot. Tell me in comments what you might like to see. And join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.